Welcome to our channel. Today we how to successfully scale Alibaba Cloud for global reach. Start by evaluating your current infrastructure and service needs. Identify your target markets and understand the specific requirements of each region. Create a robust architecture by utilizing Alibaba Cloud's global data centers. Leverage elastic compute service to deploy virtual machines in multiple locations. Ensure that your applications are designed for high availability and fault tolerance. Utilize Alibaba Cloud's Global Traffic Manager to distribute traffic efficiently across regions. Consider using content delivery network services to enhance the speed of content delivery worldwide. Implement Alibaba Cloud's auto-scaling feature to accommodate varying loads in different regions. Make use of secure virtual private cloud to ensure secure connectivity between your resources. Monitor your applications with Alibaba Cloud's Cloud Monitor for real-time analytics and performance insights. Develop a disaster recovery plan that is geographically distributed to mitigate risks. Integrate Alibaba Cloud's database solutions that provide high availability across regions. Utilize the data transmission service to streamline data migration and replication processes. Incorporate security best practices, such as encryption, to protect data in transit and at rest. Regularly audit your cloud environment for compliance and security posture. Engage with Alibaba Cloud support and professional services for guidance on best practices specific to your use case. Continue optimizing your cloud resources based on performance metrics and user feedback. By following these steps, your applications can scale effectively while reaching a global audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.